Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. This video is Coding Decoding Part 4, and in this video we will learn how to solve the questions based on conditional coding. Here, in this pattern of questions, we are given the letters or numbers, and we are also given their respective codes along with them, and then we have to find the code of a particular word or set of letters or set of letters or numbers according to some given conditions. So apart from the letters or numbers and their respective codes, we are also given some set of conditions, and we have to find the code of a word or some set of letters or numbers according to these codes and these set of conditions. For example, if we are given the following question where letters are given and their corresponding codes are given, and these are the set of conditions which are given, and we have to find the code of these set of letters according to these symbols and these set of conditions. So the first condition is that if our first letter is consonant and the fourth letter is vowel, then both are to be coded as the code of vowel. The next condition is if the second letter is vowel and the last letter is consonant, then both are to be coded as 8. And third one is that if both first and last letters are consonants, then both the codes of there to be interchanged. That is, the first one should be the code of last letter and the last one should be the code of first letter. So the first set of letters that we have is M, B, U, V, W, E. Now here, none of these following conditions are applied. Like the first letter is consonant, but the fourth is not a vowel, second is not a vowel, and both first and last are not consonants. So none of the conditions are applied. So the coding would be done as M is coded as hash, B with star, U is coded with C, V with 7, W 5, and E is coded as 2. So the correct answer is #C752, which is our option number E, that is none of these. Next is A, J, B, M, F, U. Again here none of the conditions are applied, so the coding would be done as A is 4, J is 9, B is star, M is hash, F is 8, and U is C. So the correct answer is our option number C. Next is AEIMVH. Now here our second letter is vowel and the last letter is consonant. So second condition is applied. So according to it, both would be coded as 8. So E and H both would be coded as 8. Now the remaining would be A is coded as 4, I is coded as @ M is coded as hash, and V is coded as 7. So the answer is 48 #78, which is our option number D. Next is THAFIQ. Now here both first and last are consonants. Therefore, this third condition would be applied, and according to it, their codes would be interchanged. So the code of T is 3, so 3 would be written as the last, and code of Q is 1, so 1 would be written in first, while the remaining would happen normally. So H, code of H is $, A is 4, F is 8, and I is @. So the answer is $1.48 @3, which is our option number B. Now last one is WMEIJU. Here the first letter is consonant and the fourth letter is vowel, so our condition 1 is applied here. So both should be coded as the code of vowel, that is I, and I is coded as @. So both would be coded as @. Now we will code the remaining. So M is coded as hash, E is coded as 2, J is coded as 9, and U is coded as C. So the correct option is @#2 @9C, which is our option number A. So this is how we solve the coding decoding questions based on conditioning.